Hi yogis, my name is Andreina and we're going to do a few gentle stretches that are going to help your body let go of that tension accumulated throughout the day. So we're going to relax and you may want to grab a pillow or cushion, but it is not mandatory. So when you're ready, meet me on the mat. We're going to begin in a seated position and you can sit on a pillow or cushion to make it more comfortable for your hips and lower back. And I want you to lift up your chest and roll your shoulders down because we're gonna stretch the neck. Place your hands on your knees, palms are facing up, and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, drop your chin to your chest. With an inhale, roll your head to the right, bringing the right ear to the right shoulder. And as you exhale, draw your head to the left, bringing the left ear to the left shoulder. And gently continue like this, relaxing the neck and letting go of any tension. Now we're gonna do full circles. So inhale to the right as you roll your head back. Then exhale to the left as you roll your head down. Let's reverse it. Inhale left, roll your head back. Then exhale right, roll your head down. And let's repeat the same. Inhale right, exhale left, inhale left, then exhale right. One more time, inhale, exhale, inhale left, and exhale right. Gently lift your head up, and we're gonna do a seated cat and cow. Grab onto your knees, and with an inhale, arch your back and look up towards the sky as you open the chest and roll your shoulders down for cow. And with an exhale, round your spine, tuck the chin and draw your navel in for cat. Again, inhale, open the chest. Then exhale, round your spine. And continue like this at your own rhythm, aligning this movement with your breath. One more. And return to center. I want you to go ahead and extend the right leg out to the side. Toes are pointing up, and as you inhale, lengthen your spine. And with an exhale, bend to the right, left arm reaches up and over. Try to open the chest by rolling the left shoulder back and feel a good stretch from the left hip all the way up. Relax your neck, your head. Notice all the sensations in your body. As you exhale, fold forward towards the right leg. Arms are facing up. Round your spine and let your head drop. Keep connecting with yourself and use every exhale to relax a little bit more. Slowly roll yourself up. And we're going to take a twist before we go to the other side. So extend the right leg in front of you. And left foot crosses over to the right. As you inhale, extend the right arm up towards the sky. And with an exhale, hug the left leg as you place the left hand behind. You can stay here if you want, or you can look over the left shoulder for a deeper stretch. Beautiful, release. And now let's go to the other side. So bring the right foot in towards your pelvis as you extend the left leg out to the side. Inhale, sit nice and tall. And as you exhale, bend to the left, right arm reaches up and over. Try to open the chest and feel a good stretch from the right hip all the way up. Relax your neck, your shoulders. And keep connecting with your breath. Now fold forward towards the left leg. Palms are facing up and let your head drop. Notice any tension in your body and use your breath to lovingly let go of all that tension. Gently lift yourself back up. And now let's take a twist. Extend the left leg in front of you and right foot crosses over to the left. Lift the left arm up towards the sky. And as you exhale, hug the right leg and bring the right hand behind. Inhale, lengthen your spine. And as you exhale, if you want, you can look over the right shoulder. Nice. Let's come to center and bring the sole of your feet together and away from your hips. You have three options. You can either grab onto your ankles, place your hands on your feet or bring your arms below your legs. Choose whatever feels good to your body. And then lower your chest to the floor as much as you can. And once you reach your max, then you can round your spine and drop your head. Now roll all the way up. And we're gonna go to tabletop. So place your wrists under your shoulders and knees under your hips. We're gonna stretch the wrist by taking 3 circles to the right. And now 3 circles to the left. And once you come back to center, inhale, extend the left arm out to the side. And as you exhale, thread the left arm under the right and bring the left shoulder down to the mat. You can keep the right hand what it is, or you can extend the right arm forward. Choose whatever feels good to your body. Good. Release. And now let's switch sides. Inhale, extend the right arm out to the side. And as you exhale, thread the right arm under the left, bringing the right shoulder down to the mat. Again, you have the option to keep the left hand where it is, or you can extend the left arm forward. Gently return to center. And from here, send your hips to your heels for child's pose. Bring your knees together, forehead on the mat, and bring your arms beside your legs. If this is too much, then you can open your knees as wide as you want. And you can either place your forehead on the mat or you can place it on your forearms for more support. It is up to you. We're gonna stay here for a few breaths and connect with your body and enjoy this time for yourself. Thank you for joining me in this class, and I hope you have a beautiful evening and a beautiful sleep. Namaste.